Hi everybody, welcome to this video on C2NEmu, a device that connects to a Commodore 64 VIC-20 and to a PC via USB cable, and is used to do playback tap files into either one of these two home computers, but it can also record the signal out of either of them into a PC file. So let's have a look at the tap playback mechanism. I've issued the load command on the Commodore 64 and I'm now going to run client application on the PC. That's responsible of sending through the signal to the Commodore 64. At the moment I haven't got anything else connected to the Commodore 64, but I could very well do that because the C2NEmu doesn't draw power from the Commodore 64. It's actually powered through the USB connection. The motor signal is properly handled, so we don't have to worry about stopping anything on the PC side when the motor of the tape drive is stopped, or at least the command to do that is sent from the Commodore 65. I should say when the motor line is stopped, C2NEmu handles that in a transparent way, so again we don't need to do anything manual. And here we go with the intro for the great Genesis sisters. And again, just to prove the stop signal being handled, okay, let's get on. Load. Again, C2NEmu is the only peripheral I've got connected at the moment. Shouldn't take too long, contrary to the common memory and expectation that tape games take a long time to load on a Commodore 64. Probably got something like a minute or so left. By the way, this is a new Commodore 64 I got off eBay recently. My previous one had developed an issue with, I guess, with the video part. And there you go, the great Genesis sisters loaded. and running. C2NEmu project, the great Gen sisters. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye!